Hello and welcome to iNurture Videos. In this video, we shall discuss the layered Android architecture. At the end of this video, you will be able to illustrate the components of Android architecture, discuss the sections and layers of Android architecture. Typically, the Android operating system is a stack of software components that are carefully divided into sections and layers. The lowermost layer, being Linux kernel, has 115 patches. It is this layer that provides the abstraction between the device hardware. It also contains essential hardware like camera, keypad, display, etc. The kernel handles networking and also the device drivers. On top of the Linux kernel layer, there lays a hardware abstraction layer, HAL, between the Android framework and hardware-specific software and drivers. Above the HAL are the set of libraries and open-source web browser engine WebKit. This layer includes well-known library libc, SQLite database that contains application data, audio, video, and SSL libraries for internet security. Along with the libraries is another section of the architecture, which is the Android runtime. This section provides the key component called Dalvik Virtual Machine, that is a Java virtual machine designed and optimized for Android specially. Dalvik VM uses the Linux core features like the memory management and multi-threading that are typical to Java language. It enables every Android application to run its own process with its own instance of Dalvik VM. The Android runtime provides a set of core libraries for the application developers to write applications. As the layers precede the application framework layer, at the second part provides higher level services to applications in the form of some Java classes. The application developers can make use of these services in their applications. Some of the key services provided by the Android framework include 1. Activity Manager, 2. Content Providers, 3. Resource Manager, 4. Notification Manager, 5. View System. As the topmost layers lays the system apps, it is in this layer that you will write your application to be installed. For example, contacts book, browser, games, etc. Let us have a quick recap on what we discussed. The architecture of Android consists of 5 layers, which are system apps, Android framework, libraries, Android runtime, hardware application layer HAL, and the Linux kernel. Where the system apps consists all of the applications including user-installed and predefined apps. Android framework consists of all the built-in managers, the libraries which can handle different kind functionalities. The Android runtime helps run multiple virtual machines on low memory devices, the HAL being an interface between the Android framework and hardware-specific software and drivers, and last, the Linux kernel, the most important layer that takes care of power management, memory management, resource access, and driver assignment. Thank you for watching this video.